Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update. And this is for Monday, the 20th of April. And the time right now, well, we're about 9:25 a.m. Central Time. So the stock market's sharply lower. You know, what we've been going through is you get these big run-ups now on a Friday, and that seems to be the new pattern. Then you give back some of that on Monday. Part of the reason today was the big break in crude oil prices, and while the June contracts are down, it's the May contracts that are down about $9 a barrel. Yeah. Huge drop. I think right now about 6. I think at the worst 7, so I'm probably exaggerating at the 9. But the differential between the June and the May contract, that got out to 9. That's where my brain is. If you look at this wheat market, why is it up? Well, on Friday, Russia said that is going to suspend a lot of the exports that it does of wheat. And the reason is protecting themselves. I guess they're concerned about the COVID, where they're at. Do they have enough food supplies? World trade in food, big problem. China mentioned that too, so it's not just lost on them. If you look at the metals, a little bit of a rally today in a very mixed bag, and for the first time in a while, a stable bag in the foreign currency markets. Now, if we take a look here, there's no major economic reports due out today. A lot of news about COVID, a lot of beaches reopened in the panhandle of Florida. I was watching that. They claim it's social distancing. I didn't see that in the photos I was looking at. I'm hearing that marinas might open in the Carolinas. Different areas are beginning to reopen. Some small stores in different areas that they're going to allow it will reopen. So we're starting to see the first signs of it. And of course, there's the pushback in the large cities that it's too soon because we, as big cities, can't keep that distancing all the time. May crude oil down some $6 a barrel. That's the correction that I said, got under 12. The U.S. announced going to allow companies to defer paying tariffs on imported goods for 90 days. Hopes are high that another $450 to $500 billion is going to be made available this week. It is not going to be today from everything I heard this morning. The soonest it can happen is maybe towards the end of the week, but that'll be for the PPP and the COVID-19 programs. Germany has decided to allow stores of many kinds that are 800 meters or smaller to reopen today, so they're testing their market. Japan decided to increase its stimulus package now by another, I think it's 100 million or a billion rather. It's got to be around there, to $1.1 trillion. Russia, as I said, announced the suspension of wheat. So we're starting to get these different elements in different parts of the world that you have to keep your eye on. Got to keep your eye on the energy market. U.S. producers can't make money at these prices. It's really that simple. So they should be turning off the well production. We're seeing the rig count is collapsing each and every Friday. That'll go on for a while. And the idea there, and that's what the president was trying to explain to OPEC Plus, was in America, supply demand's going to rule the day, and the production will get cut back rather dramatically until we start reopening different areas of America, which, as I just said, is starting in a slow way. That will gradually bring back the production. But right now, shut-ins in the wells, that's probably the course of the day. We're watching that play itself out as the energy sector gets hit here. We'll see what other elements are available today as well. I want to remind you, one of the techniques I use during the day is I'll look often to see where the pivot points are in a market. Now, if you don't know what a pivot point is, I created a 3-part video series for you. It's a very popular trading tool. It's all about in and out trading. And in these markets, that's probably what more people are doing than not, is the in and out type of method. You're looking for a zone where you get what's called that pivot point, the white area, and you have resistance zones above the market, support zones below. We teach you the formula. It works automatically on your computer, so you don't have to do anything with that, but learn it. And I think before you use anything, you should understand the theories behind it, how it plays itself out, what makes it work, and so on. Then I created a part to this that will also help you, I think, with momentum. because most people don't put momentum on those charts. I did, and I teach the swing line and how you do that and where you go with it. So I said it's a 3-part free video series. In fact, we have an Arun indicator also that you might want to look at. How do you get this? Call us at 866-973-2077. My staff will get it right to you. You can always go to our website, and under free offerings on the bottom right, you'll see that. Just click it, fill out what you want. It'll be right in your hands. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good day, and I will see you all later this afternoon with our end of the day market wrap-ups. Take care.